Ali, together with her partner Efren Ibo, here she is to put some fire on the dance floor with her own rendition of Somewhere Down the Road. Please give it up for Nina. Nina and Efren. What a wonderful Roomba. Join me here, guys, please. Judges, what can you say about that number?
Congratulations, I love your Roomba. It had so much passion. You really displayed how graceful you really are, poised and very dramatic. Congratulations, it was just fantastic.
Thank you. Very nice. Na-redeem nila in Mr. Jean's eyes. Direct Audie.
Sinabi ko na nga ba from the very beginning, Roomba, ang saya mo. Kasi sultry silent ka nga eh. And to dance to your own music, that's heaven. It's exactly what should have been done. For a non-dancer, that is quite excellent. That was really quite excellent.
Miss Edna, the Roomba Queen.
Yes, that's right. No, I'm just kidding. So from the start, when I started dancing ballroom, I love the Roomba, and up to now it's I think my best dance ever. And I can see that I felt your Roomba, your song, your dance, your Roomba interpretation. It's beautiful, it's serene, it's graceful, it's sexy. Everything's there. So congratulations also, Efren.
We all felt that. Congratulations, Efren and Nina. Was that Nina's crowning glory here on the show? How do you feel?
Feels good kasi, yun nga, a while ago, sobrang low energy. So, ngayon, nag-pick up naman. So,
There was talaga a conscious effort on both your part na mas bigyan ng energy. Kasi yun yung reklamo ng
actually, yes,
oo.
so, binigay namin kung ano yung gusto niya.
Efren, masaya ka naman.
Yeah, masaya ako kasi maganda naman yung comments ng mga judges.
Since Roomba is the dance of love, kung papipiliin ka sino yung gusto mong makasayaw ng Roomba maliban kay Efren, o sa script yan ha, hindi yan galing sa akin.
Si Efren pa rin.
Efren?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo alam.
Si Efren pa rin.
Hindi na yung pwede, Reg, kasi nakita ko siya sa nag-fit siya kahapon, iba na yung ka-holding hands niya. Cute din. But Nina, you're such a big revelation here in the show. Who would have thought na yung shy-looking na sultry siren ay may raunchy side din pala, sexy side. Did you really plan to shock people now by reinventing yourself this way?
No naman. I just wanted to have fun here. So, and yun, I just wanted to show them that I could also dance.
Okay, it was fun to have you here also on the show, and you also, Esther and Ivo, it's always fun to have you here in the show. Thank you guys for being here. And there you have it, in the bag na kaya ang championship title for Nina. Well, hindi papayag dyan si Tuesday. Her Roomba comeback is up next. So dyan na kaya, shall we dance? We'll be right back.
Ano kaya ang